Are you looking to install a brand new baggage door or replace your old one? Rest easy knowing that your RV will have a safe and secure storage space for all of your personal belongings. Hi, I'm Brittany from RecPro. Today we're featuring our diamond-plated RV baggage door and compartment storage. The diamond-plated baggage frame and doors are crafted from aluminum, ensuring a solid and durable construction. This robust design makes the door rust and corrosion resistant, providing a long-lasting solution for your RV. Featuring a diamond plate surface, the door has a distinctive look and comes with a keyed lock, keeping your belongings safe and secure. The hinge is located at the top, and the door has a 1.5-inch trim that extends beyond the insert for added durability. You can choose between doors with or without a seal, but we highly recommend adding the seal. It offers extra protection, keeping water and moisture out of your storage area. Plus, it complements the built-in weather and UV resistance. The seal performs well in both extreme heat and low temperatures, providing year-round protection. If you want to learn more about our diamond plate baggage doors, you can click on the link below. If you like the video and you want to see more of what we do in the future, go ahead, like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.